Welcome to Parkville Zoo, a cherished wildlife haven located in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. My exploration begins with Australia's iconic dingoes, often referred to as the country's native wild dogs. These agile creatures, more closely related to foxes and jackals than domestic dogs, showcase the adaptability of Australia's wildlife. Nearby, the spirited Tasmanian Devils, a species synonymous with Australia's rugged ecosystems, draw crowds with their lively antics. Visitors of all ages gather around their enclosure, captivated by these marsupials' fierce yet fascinating behavior, all while enjoying the zoo's crisp, refreshing atmosphere. As I venture deeper, a dramatic mural of a Bengal tiger sets the stage for one of the zoo's most awe-inspiring exhibits. The tiger itself resides in a habitat artfully designed, with towering bamboo groves and dense foliage separated from onlookers by thick, tempered glass. The crowd buzzes with excitement as the tiger paces gracefully, its striking stripes contrasting against the greenery. Further along, a snow leopard emerges as a fleeting highlight. Seen distantly among rocky terrain, its pale, spotted coat blends seamlessly into the environment, a testament to its mastery of camouflage. Attempts to view it from alternate angles prove challenging, as the elusive cat retreats into the shadows, leaving visitors with a tantalizing glimpse of its mysterious nature. Returning to Australia's native species, I encounter a series of reptilian wonders. A massive python lies coiled within a climate-controlled glass habitat, its muscular body a testament to nature's ingenuity. Nearby, a hyper-realistic sculpture of a python adds an artistic dimension to the exhibit, while adjacent enclosures house an array of snakes, from vibrantly colored tree pythons to venomous species. The atmosphere grows hushed as visitors study these creatures, their scales shimmering under carefully positioned lights. No visit to the zoo is complete without witnessing the regal presence of lions. Two of these majestic big cats lounge atop sunlit logs, their golden manes catching the light as they survey their domain. A colossal, rainbow-hued frog sculpture sits nestled among plants, while a bronze tortoise statue invites playful interaction. Transitioning to a lighter tone, the zoo's vibrant children's area bursts with energy. This space is a paradise for young explorers who dart between exhibits, their laughter echoing through the air. An American alligator glides silently through murky waters, its eyes barely breaking the surface, reminding visitors of the delicate balance between predator and prey. Nearby, the Reptile and Small Animals Pavilion offers a glimpse into the world of cold-blooded creatures. Glass enclosures showcase exotic lizards, tortoises, and rare snakes, while a Philippine crocodile, a critically endangered species, rests in its aquatic habitat. Parkville Zoo is more than a collection of exhibits. It is a living testament to the beauty and resilience of the natural world. A short stroll leads to the Fighting Extinction Gallery, a poignant space dedicated to conservation. A lifelike sculpture of a baby elephant stands at its heart, symbolizing the fragility of endangered species. Interactive displays and plush animal toys engage younger visitors, fostering an early appreciation for wildlife preservation. The journey continues with the charming meerkats, whose comical vigilance delights crowds. These social mammals stand upright on rocky perches, their curious gazes scanning visitors. Their playful interactions and synchronized movements draw smiles and cameras, highlighting the joy of connecting with nature's smaller wonders. Finally, the path winds through a serene garden oasis, where two turtle rest amid blooming flowers and shaded walkways. This tranquil space offers a moment of reflection, blending art with nature in perfect harmony, a fitting conclusion to a day of exploration.